Sankalp se Srishti. We are all blessed to be born in India, the land of Hindustani Sanatan Dharma. Our sanskars, our gunas, the way of life of our sansar, the land of seers, the land of Rishimonis, who were scientists, poets and philosophers together. They were the seers. Before the tools of science, they called this earth Bhugol. Before the advent of any tools, they could figure that the earth is moving, so they called it Jagat. Jag, jiski koi gati ho. And yes, of course, in today's time, when we all are gripped in fear psychosis, anxiety ridden, remember one thing: human consciousness is larger than any disease, larger than any virus. Human consciousness is supreme immunity in its best state. How do we get there? Determination. Determination delivers your destiny. So Sankalp. Now let me tell you something more about Sankalp. A biological fact. Aristotle propagated a theory called teleology. Now Aristotle was a philosopher. Now teleology is a theory which suggests that biological organisms intend to transform, grow and evolve into being something else and more, with more meaning, actually happens. An intended outcome of a biological desire is what Sankalp se Srishti is. Also, Einstein, being a scientist, came up with a theory of a pain wave, which is the collective cry of the collective consciousness, which influences. So once again, the influence, the thought, the energy that manifests. Replace fear with faith. Well, Bruce Lipton, the leading scientist, biologist, says, your belief can change your biology. Mickey Mehta says, your faith can transform your physiology. Your breathing can change your hormonology. And meditation and prayers will transform your psychology. But if change were to be intended, and the power of intention as per quantum physics is that you put attention to the field, you energize it. You put intention to the field, you transform it. So you become the manifester. You become the co-creator of your own manifestation. We are what our deepest desires are. As are our desires, so will be our will. As will be our will, so will be our intentions. As will be our intentions, so will be our deeds. And as will be our deeds, so will be our destiny. So become the co-creator of your destiny. Align with the laws of nature. And then you will be the choreographer of your own change. If change is constant, let it be driven. Determination delivers destiny. And of course, you will be able to transform everything you touch, intend. So breathe the transformation. Take charge. Be the one. You have legs to walk towards it, hands to make it, mind to perceive it, heart to believe it, and a spirit to achieve your own destiny. Be the co-creator and be the choreographer of your change. And get energized, get maximized, get optimized, get naturalized, get revitalized, get regularized, get specialized, get initialized, get internalized, get eternalized, get revolutionized, get Mickey-mized.